Fragile relationships formed over thousands of years have led to many species living in harmony. Here, Bella discovers the remarkable hummingbird moth. The hummingbird moth drinks nectar from the blooms of flowers and in return pollinates plants with pollen collected on its body, a delicate dance of mutual benefit. Many such symbiotic relationships have formed, supported by a compatible climate. Sadly now, human activities are driving changes to climate too quickly for species to adapt naturally. Burning fossil fuels, indiscriminate land use changes, and food consumption choices are major impediments to maintaining a livable climate for many species. Human-caused climate change impacts the natural rhythms of weather, timing of flowers blooming, and the behavior of animals, including pollinators. These sudden unnatural influences on climate put pollinators and the plants depending on them at risk. Frighteningly, even when humans cease aiding in climate breakdown, the climate won't return to normal. We will have created a new, more inhospitable climate regime to which to adapt if we can. This is why climate action is so urgent. Make the choice to use your voice. Protect the living world you are leaving your children. There is no planet B.